Hello students, how are you? Students, now we are going to solve question number third of exercise number 6.4. In this question, we have given one figure like trapezium. In this figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles drawn on the same base BC. See, it is ABC, base is BC, and DBC, again base is BC. Means on the base BC, two triangles are drawn. Clear? If AD and BC intersects at O, this AD and BC intersect at O, then show that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Students, first of all, when we have to find the area of triangle, we will have base and altitude. Here, area of triangle ABC, how we find? Base is BC, but we don't have altitude. So first of all, we have to draw altitudes. Okay. See, here we will draw altitude E, and here we will draw altitude F. Altitude means 90 degree. Okay. Now we will write given. What we have given? That ABC or triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC, and AD, it is first, second, AD and BC intersect at O. We have to prove area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Clear? Now we will write construction. What we have construct? That draw AE perpendicular to BC and DF perpendicular to BC. Clear? Now, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to half into base BC into AE whole upon half into BC into DF. Clear? This implies what we have? Area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to, these two will cancel out, we have AE upon DF. It is our equation number 1. But we have to prove that AO upon DO, in place of AE upon DF, we will have AO upon DO. So we have to take these two triangles. If we take these two triangles, and we will make these two triangles similar by the criterion of similarity. Okay. So in triangle AOE and triangle DOC, see, DF is perpendicular on BC and AE is perpendicular on BC. That means angle AEO and angle DFO are equal. Angle AEO is equal to angle DFO, each 90 degree. And these two angles are vertically opposite angles, is it? So angle AOE is equal to angle DOF are vertically opposite angles. Clear? This implies by AA similarity, triangle AOE is similar to triangle DOC. Clear? And if two triangles are similar, then we take their corresponding sides are in same ratio. So this implies AE upon DF is equal to AO upon OD. Question number 2, by similarity. Now from 1 and 2. In place of AE upon DF, we will write AO upon OD. So area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to AO upon OD. Hence proved. Clear, students? So students, pause the video to be noted down.